other side of the world, in West Africa, sits one of the poorest countries on the face of the earth, Mali. The average worker's income in Mali is $1,500 a year. The story isn't entirely grim. Mali is a democracy, and its government is working to grow the economy and raise the standard of living. 2 hours south of the capital by car is Mana, a community of 5,000 subsistence farmers who live on less than $1 a day. It is here that Hands Across the Nations is saving and changing lives, thanks to the support of people like you. 1 in 5 children in Mana doesn't live to the age of 5. No child in Canada would ever die for lack of clean drinking water or from malaria, dysentery, or malnutrition, but in Mana, they have claimed untold lives. 2009 was a landmark year for Hands Across the Nations in Mana. Amid much celebration, we opened the Community Health Center. Here, doctors and nurses tend to the daily needs of patients. They provide basic vaccines, deliver babies, treat injuries, and give life-saving treatment for infection and disease. Built to serve Mana, the center is now so celebrated and its doctor so well regarded that people will walk more than 40 kilometers just to be treated here. The doctor's annual salary? $5,200. Our goal is to make the health center self-sufficient in 5 years and to spread this model to other communities. We also plan to build a maternity unit capable of delivering 4 to 5 babies a day. On its last visit to Mana, Hands Across the Nations delivered essential bed nets, malnutrition kits, and basic medical supplies. We also landed an entire shipping container filled with water filters, solar panels, farming equipment, medical beds, and an ultrasound machine. Education is an essential component of Hands Across the Nations work in Mali, as we support local teachers with school supplies and French language books. Hands Across the Nations' unique strategy is to partner with villages. What do they need? How can we help them build it? How can we pass on skills and training to sustain it when we leave? Over the years, our volunteers have been welcomed not as visitors or aid workers, but as beloved members of the community who just happen to live in a country far away. Not everyone can travel to the other side of the world to be a part of this life-changing process, but anyone can be involved. It's thanks to people like you that Hands Across the Nations has been transforming Mana since 1996. And through your generous support, this relationship between a tiny village in West Africa and a remarkable group of Canadian volunteers will continue for years to come.